Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how do you know highest level reach on Monopoly Go. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. And you will be redirected to the home page of the application where the actual game is played. Now just tap on the friends icon at the bottom icon tray. Select the timeline to see all of your recent notifications. To see the highest level reach within your friend list, select leaderboard. You can now see your position among your friends. Just select global tab from the leaderboard section and you'll be able to see the highest level reach along with the account name. So this is basically how you can know highest level reach on Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be with you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.